standard entropy of x2, y2 and xy3 are given, right, respectively. For the reaction, half x2 plus 3 by 2 y2 is giving xy3, delta H is given, right. Now this reaction, if it had to be in equilibrium, what should be the temperature? Let us first of all write the equation. Half of x2 plus 3 by 2 of y2 is giving xy3, right. Now delta H for the reaction is minus 30 kilojoule, right. Now for x2 we are given delta S naught, for y2 we are given delta S naught, which is equals to what, 40. This was equals to what, 60. And for xy3 delta S naught is given by 50. Now for the reaction, if I have to tell, this is basically delta H naught. For the reaction, what will be that? Delta S naught for xy3 minus delta S naught into 3 by 2 of what? This is of y2, right, minus delta S naught into 1 by 2. This is of what? x2, right. So this is the basic net reaction, net delta S naught for the reaction. So this will be what? 50 minus 40 into 3 by 2 minus of 60 by 2, right. So this will be 50 minus 60 minus 30. This will be equal to what? Minus 40 net. This is basically in joule per Kelvin per mole, right. This is delta S naught for the reaction. Now for the reaction to be at equilibrium, delta G naught should be equal to 0, and delta G naught is given by what? Delta H naught minus T delta S naught. Now this should be equal to 0, or I can write it as delta H naught should be equal to T delta S naught, right. So over here I can put the value, so I'll get delta T will be equal to delta H naught by delta S naught, and delta H naught is given to us minus 30 kilojoule. I can write it as minus 30 into 10 raised to the 3 joule, right, and delta S naught I've calculated, which is minus 40 joule. So this will come out to be what? 3000 by 4, right. So this will be approximately 750 Kelvin. That means option C is correct. So this was another very easy question which came in 2008.